Matcha tea biscuits are an exquisite treat that blends the sweetness of biscuits with the unique aroma of matcha green tea. Here's how to prepare them. Ingredients: 110 grams of soft butter, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of matcha tea powder, 240 grams of 00 flour, ½ teaspoon of salt, granulated sugar to taste for finishing, optional. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and prepare a baking tray by lining it with parchment paper. In a large bowl, cream the soft butter with the powdered sugar until you have a soft and fluffy mixture. Add the egg and vanilla extract, beating until they are well incorporated. Sift the flour, matcha tea, and salt into a separate bowl, and then gradually blend them into the butter and sugar mixture, mixing until you get a smooth dough. Divide the dough into portions of the desired size and form balls, then roll them in granulated sugar if you wish to create a sweet outer crust. Place the balls on the prepared tray, leaving some space between each as they will expand during baking. Gently press down each ball with the back of a spoon or the palm of your hand. Bake in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges just start to turn golden. Remove the biscuits from the oven and let them cool on the tray for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to finish cooling. Curiosities: matcha tea is highly prized in Japanese culture and often associated with traditional ceremonies. Its fine powder is obtained by grinding high-quality green tea leaves and has a rich taste that makes it ideal for both drink preparation and as an ingredient in pastries.